percentage of population of Jamaicans who has not heard about the details of the original case and this recent appeal. Selecting a non-biased 12-member jury would be difficult since information on the case has been released over the 12 years since the original verdict and sentencing were given. Items such as videos, voice notes, documents, documentaries, blogs, and YouTube videos have all been released over the years and are easily accessible, making it difficult for defendants to have a fair trial. The jury in the Supreme Court case was a massive reason why Kartel and his co-accused conviction was quashed. The fact that the trial judge did not order a retrial when it was discovered that a juror was trying to bribe members of the jury, which meant that the remaining jurors would have been influenced to vote against Mr. Palmer, since they would naturally think it was his team that was behind the bribes. As a result, he did not get